Hello everyone! In this video, we'll collect the Meow and Cat Play from Peace Bell Tower. Now, teleport to Moonvale Peak. Turn around. Go down. Go forward. There's a Meow on the right. Open the mouth, teleport to Front Mountain. Turn around. Turn left and climb up the mountain. Go right. There's the second Meow. Now open the map and teleport to Front Mountain. Turn left. Jump to the bottom. Go forward. Jump up. There's a Cat Play. Press V if you can't find the Cat Play. Now, let's check. You'll find that we've collected all the Meow and Cat Play from Peace Bell Tower.